Hi guys, today we're making a video and we are making slime Pokemon themed slime.
Show us your hat.
Ooh, ooh.
So, show us what you got.
I got food coloring, and I got glitter. And I also got some ice.
Okay.
I also got this to make my slime with. My contact solution. My bigger glue. My clear glue. And my baking soda. Okay. And here's my measuring cup. Here's my spoon. And now let's get started.
So, gonna open these glitters.
Yeah, we're gonna open these glitters. Let's open them. I wanna open them. Oh.
Okay.
Hi guys. I'm so excited to make my slime. And yeah.
What kind of slime are you thinking about making? Well, I know you're trying to do like a Pokemon theme, but like what Pokemon?
Grimer. Grimer.
What color is Grimer? Kind of like a purpley.
Yeah, purple.
So look at these glitters. They're cute.
Here, pink. I don't really know if I'm gonna use pink or not. Here, red, blue. I think it looks pretty. And gold. And clear. I usually call it
Silver.
Silver, yeah.
Yeah. Then the eyeballs.
Look at all of them.
I want to use ones that look like the swirly, like the Pokemon's unable to battle. Which ones are you going to use?
I'm going to use... I want to show you. Grandma kind of looks like this. So I'm going to show you.
You're going to use those eyes?
Yeah, I'm going to use those.
Those ones? Okay, let's get it open.
Okay, I'm going to take them out. Okay? Okay.
You can hear it. They're googly. Some of them are googly. So, you want those? It's actually a sticker. We didn't know that, but that's okay. Look, watch. Stop, don't move for a sec. Okay, ready? Your eyes are like grinders.
Okay, I want to show them. Almost all of them. Oh, only the googly eyes do.
Yep. So, let's get a cup. I'm going to make some too.
Yeah.
One for you, one for me.
Okay, I'm doing clear. No, I shouldn't do clear, right?
Yep. So, let's put some
Grimer.
glue.
Nope, it's sticky.
I told you it's a sticker. All right. Here we go. How much?
I don't know.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Stop! No, keep on going.
I think that's plenty. I think your stop was perfect. Okay.
Okay.
I
Degree.
need some glue.
With some blue?
Yeah.
Are you sure you want to use that one?
I am sure. Yes, ma'am.
But what Pokemon are you making, Mom?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, you do know.
I do.
Squirtle!
Squirtle?
Yeah,
I could do blue for Squirtle?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that. You're gonna put the drop in for me?
Yes.
You should probably do like one blue and then one red.
Yeah.
And then can you just put one drop? Careful.
I got this.
Girl, that was 2 drops.
Oops.
And don't ever hold the what is this? Food coloring upside down with the lid off. That's gonna make a mess.
But they'll just make messes.
This is yours, right? And this one's mine.
Yep, that's mine.
This is mine. This is yours. This is yours. Yours has more glue. Let's show them what we're talking about here.
Okay. Okay, I didn't get to make.
I'm sorry. Can you remember to put the lid on?
Yes.
Thanks. All right. So here goes mine. I'm just gonna do one dot.
Okay.
One dot. One drop. And then.
Now we are gonna put.
What?
Oh, you mix.
Yep.
Mine's grammar, so this one is my grammar.
Hopefully it turns out purple.
Yeah, hopefully. It's kind of turning out blackish, but it's purple.
Okay.
We don't get to look at each other's slimes because that's cheating. It's a slime challenge. That's cheating.
Okay. Well, I need your spoon or a spoon.
All right. Mine's purple.
Mine's blue.
Yours squirtle.
Yep, it's like a very pretty blue.
And mine's a really pretty purple.
Sure is.
Kind of blue on the top though.
It's so cool. All right. So.
Okay, it's not sticky because we just put glue.
Well, glue is sticky though. Look at Ellie's.
I was gonna make Staryu.
Should you?
Put
What do
some
we do next?
baking soda.
Baking soda.
We need a spoon.
You have a spoon, silly Willy. Sorry, guys. All right. So I don't know how much baking soda. We're just gonna eyeball it, pour a little bit at a time. A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Because you need some.
A little bit. A little bit. A little bit.
Okay, I'm ready for the glitter and so bad.
Okay. Wait, you gotta mix the baking soda in first.
Yep, and then we can do the car calculation.
Make sure you mix it all nice and good.
Oh, it's getting good. So getting.
Here my cup. Okay. How much baking soda do you think we used? Do you think we used enough?
I think so.
I hope so. Can I help you a little bit?
No.
Well,
It's a challenge.
okay, fine. But if you look at your cup, you can see the white at the bottom. That's glue still. So you need to scrape the bottom, you know? Is it on your arm?
Yeah.
Okay, well, gotta get that cleaned up. We'll do that after we make our slime, right?
Yeah.
Look at that cute face. And her Pokeball hat.
That's cool.
Yep.
Still glue, right?
Here.
It's okay, we're not in the cold.
Oh yeah, you're right. We're inside. Okay, so is that all?
Yeah. Ugh.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna need contact solution. Thank you. We just need a little bit.
Mix it and see how it turns out.
Okay. I'm not getting to slime. Now we're gonna put some glitter in it. So I'm gonna pick gold.
Need some help?
Yeah, I need
Also, let me help you. Let me help you.
gold.
Look at that. Easy to use, like salt and pepper.
Alright, I got mine then. I wonder what color you're gonna use, Mom.
Probably blue.
Blue?
Mhm.
For Squirtle?
Yep. You got it, dude.
The eyes. I'll get your eyes for you. Do you want these ones? You want the glittery ones?
Yeah, I want those black ones. I dropped the glitter. That's hilarious. It's not hilarious? I thought it was hilarious.
I thought it was hilarious. I was like,
Did you mix it?
I can mix it. Oh, yeah, I
Did you
can.
mix your glitter in?
No, I didn't. I'm happy that we're making a video, so.
You are.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking at the camera.
Oh, so tell your friends maybe, since you're so happy, to give you a big thumbs up.
Yours is chunky. I think it's time to mix it with our hands.
Think so?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let me see how yours looks.
I see dog.
Whoa.
Mine's cool. Looks like purple chips.
Okay, you can get it out with your hands.
Okay.
So if you guys like making slime, if you love watching Dance and Ellie, give us a
Big thumbs up. Slime thumbs up, that is. Mine's stretchy. Real stretchy.
Oh shoot!
Breakable.
Sticky.
And mine's sticky too.
Slime is a sticky, fun mess, huh?
Yeah. So, mine's a grimer. I need to put my eyes. Okay, let me do it together, okay?
Okay.
Because that would just be unable to battle them. What am I using under unable to battle eyes?
Grimer must have
Me?
attacked Squirtle to make him unable to battle.
Yep. He did. That's just what Grimer did.
Oh.
Why did Grimer do that to your Squirtle? I'm so sorry.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why Grimer's so sensitive. He's mean. He's mean. Grimer's mean.
He is he?
Yes.
Hmm.
I'm playing with it, but I'm trying to get off my hands.
Yeah. Me too. I'm trying to get it out of my cup and in my hands.
Oh, that's crazy. Mine got stuck in slime.
Mine got stuck in the slime too.
No.
I mean in the cup too.
No, mine got stuck in the thing. My slime eyes.
Oh. Got stuck in your cup?
Yeah, no, it got stuck in my slime.
Isn't it supposed to?
No.
Isn't that the point?
No. The point is to see the eyeballs.
Yeah, when you're playing with it, right?
Yes, when you're playing with it, right?
Okay. Got it almost all out.
But we like doing the maze because we're girls. We're not boys.
I have a blue hand, and I have some blue. Look how pretty!
Okay, mine's definitely not pretty at all.
Yes it is. It's purple. It's not my favorite color. Where's my eyes?
Eyes right here.
Squirtle's unable to battle.
Squirtle. Let's mix it all in.
I did.
I want to show you. Ooh. Can you see it? That's cool, right? Oh, I need to get to
It
that.
almost looks like a ditto.
A ditto.
Just blue. I made pretty good slime with eyeball in it, huh? Want to touch it?
Sure.
I like the way it feels.
Me too.
Can I try yours?
Sure.
Ooh.
Okay, let's. Yours is way more better.
No, it's not. They feel the same.
I know.
Look at Ellie's eyes.
Grimer. What if I made a look?
Oh, then it would be stinky.
Well, Grimer's sticky too.
It's like it almost looks like a navy blue. Purple.
Maybe.
That's what it's called. And let's show them the eyes.
Okay. I want to show you your eyes.
Okay.
Those are really cool. Oh, now it's like it's red.
It is.
It did.
Cool.
Rhymer. Squirtle.
I want to see.
Yeah,
That was fun, huh?
yeah, it's fun.
Slime is so much fun.
It's so much fun. I want to show Dad, my dad, my dad, my dad.
Okay. Well, then let's end our video.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Big thumbs up. Slimy thumbs up, Daddy. Or Pokemon thumbs up.
Or blue thumbs up.
Or,
or
no, squirrel thumbs up. Squirrel.
thumbs up.
Whatever. Grimer thumbs up. Grimer.
Yeah. So thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned for our next video. Whoop.
Bye. I'm gonna put the slime on your vlog.